Nothing like the Spanish alphabet. I kind of think Claire likes the Spanish version better.
Yeah.
Are you dancing?
Where's his eyes?
You like that music? Yeah, are you dancing? Yeah? You're dancing and walking, that's pretty brave.